Have you ever wondered, can I place a hold on a library book? Have you ever wanted to reserve an item to pick up at a later date to ensure you don't lose it? Is this even possible? The answer to all of your questions is yes. Sit back and enjoy this brief tutorial on placing holds in SUNO Library. Before placing a hold on a library item, you must first access the SUNO Library online catalog. When you get to the online catalog page, you are going to click on Log In from the menu bar at the top of the screen. You will then be prompted to log in using your student ID number or your U number. Your password is going to be your birthday, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 2-digit year. Once you have logged in successfully, you should be able to see your name located at the top of the menu bar. Once you have seen that, then you may begin your search utilizing the search box. If you have a particular title in mind or a particular subject, please feel free to type that in. Remember, when you are utilizing the online catalog, you are going to want to use search terms or key terms from the titles of the books that you are looking for. Once you have located a book or have seen a book that you can use for your particular study or research, please feel free to click on Place Hold located on the right-hand side of the item. Remember to leave the pickup location as Southern University at New Orleans Library. Then you are going to click on Place Hold. If your hold is placed successfully, you will then be able to see Successful under the action item. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms at SUNO Library for more library updates and tutorials like this.